Welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Anjali, and in today's video, we are going to load the data in capital module of EPBCS by using data management and by using expression mapping since we have different sources. Let me show you my data file. So look, this is my data file in which I have two different sources for repair. Underscore S01 and underscore S02. This is my asset class, which is vehicle. Asset detail is global. Sales US is the entity. My scenario is plan. Project is no project. Currency is USD. Version is working. And these are the amounts which I have given. So as you can see, I have two accounts. Okay. And I have given two different sources for the two accounts. All right. So I have source 1 and source 2. So when I'll use expression mapping, my source, which is underscore S01 and underscore S02, will get automatically ignored and the data will get fetched to target, which is OCX underscore repair. So let's go to our application and see how it is done. Click on navigator and go to data management under integration. Click on setup tab. Register your source system by clicking on add. See, all the processes are same as we do for data load. The only difference is in mapping. So we can register our source system by clicking on add. Click on, we can give our source system name, our type, okay. Save this information and register the target application in the next step. Click on add. Since we're loading the data file, click on local, provide the type here, prefix, and save this. So my target application is, let me just show you. My target application is data load EPBCS. All right. And as we can see here, the name is data load EPBCS in application details, and these are the dimension members. Save this information and then move to import format under integration setup. We can give the import format by clicking on add, provide the name, source type, your file type, and the target. You can save this information. And once the information is saved, under mappings, we can see all the members here. I have given the field numbers for all the members here. For account, field number is 1, which is in our data file. For amount, number 9 is the column number. So I have given similarly for all the members here. I have saved the data. Okay. So next we move to location under integration setup. So my location is data load LOC. So here we can give the new location by clicking on add and give all the location details like name, import format, and functional currency and everything. Save this information. Okay, so mine is data load EPBCS, import format is data load underscore IMF. So these are the details. Next, we go to period mapping and check the period mapping here. This is auto fetch data. Check category mapping. Okay. So after all these steps, we'll go to workflow. Click on data load mapping. Select the correct location. My location is data load EPBCS. Select the correct period and correct category. My category is OEP plan. So this is OEP plan. Just a second. select the plan type and click on OK. So this is my correct location in which I have given mapping. So the most important thing here is I have given for account, since I had two different sources, S01 and S02. So for these four characters, I have given expression question mark. Okay, I have given question mark for the four elements, and star mapping as we do for the regular case, the target value, and I have given the rule name. Then save this, and for all other members like asset class, asset details, I have given like mapping. So once I am done with mapping, I'll save this. I'll go to data load rule. Okay, I can give a new data load rule by clicking on add, give the name, provide the category, provide the import format, and select your data file from here. We'll click on select and browse our data file. So I have already selected my data file. So once we upload our file, we save this information, and next we click on execute. So by clicking on execute, what we are doing is we are importing a data file from source, and from staging we are exporting it to the target. All right, I have already done that. So my data file is only for a month, so I've given the start period as January 2022 and end period as January 2022, which is same. Okay, under import mode, I'll select replace and then run. I've already done this process, so we'll check whether the file is loaded to export the target application. Export process is done, as we can see the three golden fish here. All right, so we can check here in source entity. Source entity is mapped with the target, and all other members are mapped to the target. Okay, so this is how we can use expression mapping if we have different sources. Okay, so in this we can see our source S01 and S02 gets automatically ignored and the data is fetched to the target. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.